Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're making some Escovitch lobster, right? Escovitch lobster, and I know this one is going to be a mouth-watering one, right? So first we have here some lobster, and what we're doing is to cut the lobster in half. Guys, this one is not an easy task. To cut lobster is a hard task. Why? Because the shell is very hard. But with the lobster cutting, if you want to remove the head and just use the tail for this recipe, you can go ahead. But I'm just going to use all the lobster and just cut it in half from the head down to the tail. After cutting the lobster in half, we're just going to clean the lobster, because you don't know what they in the lobster head. But not have to tell you what in the lobster head, right? So you're going to clean the lobster with vinegar or lime juice to get rid of the rawness or to minimize the rawness from the lobster. Okay, so after cleaning or rinsing the lobster, we're just going to season. So you can use all of your special seasoning them that you like to add. You can add them to this lobster. What I'm adding here is some black pepper, Maggi all-purpose season, and salt. So I'm just going to sprinkle or distribute the seasoning over the lobster, guys. Inside out, round and about, all over the lobster may season, guys. Right, so I'm just seasoning it to get it flavored. Alright, so you just massage the seasoning onto the meat. You want to repeat this process until the lobster is seasoned. Afterwards, we're going to pour some cooking oil into the frying pan. I'm using here some coconut oil, but you can use the oil of your choice. Next, you're going to allow the oil to become hot, and then you're going to place 2 cloves of garlic into the hot oil and allow them to fry to extract that garlic flavor from it. Then you're going to place the lobsters into the hot oil and allow them to be fried. After you added the garlic to the hot oil, you're just going to place the lobsters into the frying pan and allow them to fry. And you see, once the shell and the tails start turning red, yes guys, they are cooking. That doesn't mean they are cooked, they are finished cooked. No, they are not. Right? So you want to continue to toss them on opposite sides, right? And allow them to be cooked properly. So you're going to flip them on opposite sides to ensure that it is soaked properly, because you don't want a raw lobster to eat. So you maintain that medium heat and constantly watch and flip them. Yes, guys, you see they don't come like they don't want to come off of each other. Alright, so we just continue to flip them and to monitor them until they are cooked. Okay, so the lobster is finished now, guys. So what we're about to do is to add some Escovitch sauce. So I have here some that was already made right in the comfort of my home, and I'm now going to distribute the pickle onto it. So if you're a pepper lover, you can go ahead and add as much as you'd like, and you can sprinkle even some of the sauce on it. right? But I'm just putting the vegetables on it and some of the liquid. And there we have it. We served with a side of mashed potato and cheese. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. I just want to say thanks for the support, and thanks to everyone who constantly tune into our channel and keep on watching all our videos. So you see, if you don't like pepper, you can just leave it like that without the pickle. And if you love pepper now, you can just fix it up like that, right? This is a mouthwater, guys. May I tell you know this did nice. Man, I ask Christ, this Elsha style, real Elsha style, right in the comfort of your home. If you try this recipe, just DM me on Instagram at cookingwithtz_C and just send me a picture. Look at that, guys. Mouth watering. I do hope you enjoy. If you enjoy this video, you might want to click on this one.